Welcome back, guys, to another episode. So, on this episode, guys, we will be covering how to access our website. So, basically, guys, we have created a website that is meant to educate you in terms of today's monetary policy or system, and also to educate you on how you can use price action techniques to be able to make profit within the forex market. So guys, it is essential to have access our website because it really gives out valuable information that might also help build on your knowledge in terms of today's monetary system. So without further waste of time, let us jump straight into the website, guys. So first you'll need to access your search engine like Google. Then you would need to type in www.fundsandgalore.com. So let's go into that. So guys, this is our official website. So once you access the website, guys, it will take you to our homepage. Our homepage basically uploads the latest, it shows the latest articles that are posted on the website, guys. As you can see on our left hand side, we have the 1st of June. That's when I posted this analysis. Guys. So as you can see, we are very detailed, and we keep our information simple so that everybody can understand, guys, whether you're a seasoned or an experienced investor. Like, I wrote it in a way that everything is just understandable for everybody, guys. So over here we have different types of categories. So we have the home page, about page. If you want to see, or if you want to know more about us, you can find that on the about page. We have forex and stocks. We have inflation. Inflation is basically where I discuss the loss of purchasing power over a duration of time. For example, guys, 20 rand today can buy a loaf of bread and a 2-liter Coke bottle, and tomorrow 20 rand can only afford to purchase one apple. That's inflation. So everything regarding the purchasing power and fiat currency and the fiat currency system that we're using today, it's all highlighted in the inflation topic. And here we have banking, guys. Banking, we're talking about fractional reserve banking, how banking works, what is a bank run, and what are central bank intervention, guys. And on here we have the Strategic Trading Academy. On the Strategic Trading Academy, we building a system whereby we can educate you guys on how to trade the forex market properly. So I would urge you to first begin at the Strategic Trading Academy by reading the psychological mindset that is needed before going into the technical analysis part of the trading, guys. So basically that is our page, guys. This is basically our website, guys. You can also leave a comment below after you read an article. Please, I would advise you guys to please leave comments. Tell me or inform me about what you guys think on certain topics that I've written, and we can start discussions based on those topics. So don't be afraid to just leave a comment. Your email won't be broadcasted, guys. Your email is protected, so it won't be broadcasted for people to see. Only your comments will be visible, so for other people to see. So guys, that is basically it. Until I post another video, guys, peace out.